Hi guys, Higher Maths Essential Skills Exercise 3 questions 3b, 3c, 3e and 3f. Okay, so first of all, question 3b. So if I was multiplying x squared by x, I'll be getting x cubed. So x squared multiplied by 5x is 5x cubed. X squared multiplied by minus 7 will be minus 7x squared. 4x multiplied by 3x, well 4 3s are 12. X multiplied by x is x squared. 4x multiplied by 2 will be 8x, and then we have minus x squared at the end there. Okay, so now we need to tidy up and be careful when tidying up. So any x cubed terms, yep, there it is, only one x cubed term, so 5x cubed. Any x squared terms, so I have 12x squared minus 7x squared, which will be 5x squared, minus x squared, which will be plus 4x squared, and then plus 8x. Question 3c. So again, I've written down a question here. Now this might be causing a little bit of trouble. If we square this bracket, we do not get x squared plus 16. So that may be causing a little bit of trouble for one or two of you. Remember, bracket squared means everything in the bracket multiplied by itself. So we need to do bracket multiplied by bracket. And then if we go for your teacher may call it FOIL, so first term x times x is x squared, outside terms x times 4 is 4x, inside terms 4 times x is also 4x, so those two terms combined will make plus 8x, and 4 4s are 16, so x squared plus 8x plus 16. So that could cause a little bit of trouble. So next thing to do, 8x times 5x, well 8 5s are 40, x times x is x squared, so 40x squared minus 48x. Here is another potential error coming up. So we are doing a minus 3 multiplied by x squared, so minus 3x squared. We are also doing minus 3 multiplied by 8x, which would be minus 24x. We're also doing minus 3 multiplied by 16, which is minus 48. Then after that, we just need to tidy up. So 40x squared minus 3x squared. X terms, minus 48x minus 24x. So I'm taking away 48, then taking away a further 24 in total. I am taking away 72. So minus 72x minus 48. Question 3e. So again, bracket squared here could cause a bit of trouble. At the side, write it out like we did for question 3c. Multiply our way through if we need to. Some of you will be able to do this and take the shortcut, but only take the shortcut if you get it right 100% of the time, guys. Don't take a shortcut if it only works for you 50% of the time. That's not a good idea. Okay, so square this bracket, multiply this bracket through by 9. So just be careful with 9 multiplied by 36. And then multiply minus a by the second bracket. Okay, so minus a times 4a squared, minus a times 12a, minus a times plus 9. Okay, potential for an error there. Quite a common mistake. Minus a multiplied by the first term, then a multiplied by the second and third term. And after that, guys, just carefully tidy up again as always. So there's our cube terms. Squared terms, 9 minus 12 is minus 3. A terms, minus 108a minus 9a will be minus 117a, and then plus 324. And 3f. So again, what's going to go wrong here? Two things probably will cause you guys a little bit of trouble. You might not have squared your bracket. Okay, I've used a square bracket here, no particular reason for that. You don't need to use a square bracket, you can use a round bracket. So again, write that out at the side if you need to, but it is bracket multiplied by bracket. It's not just squaring 5 and squaring minus p. Okay, then we need to subtract the entire bracket. So it'll be minus 25 minus 10p, so it'll be plus 10p, minus plus p squared, so that'll be minus p squared. Then after that, it should tidy up to 24p squared plus 20p minus 25.